It's your boy Lil Will, and I'm coming to y'all with a brand new video, man. As y'all can tell, this video a little different, but stop right there. If you ever thought to yourself and was just like, or bought some jeans and was thinking like, damn, I wish my jeans was skinny like Lil Will's on, or like, you know what I'm saying? Damn, these jeans big as hell. This the video for you. Like, I'm gonna be showing y'all how to get your jeans to go from this to this. With that being said, if y'all coming from TikTok, y'all should already know what's going on, cause I've been telling y'all for a while. I'm gonna give y'all a video on it, but I'm finally giving y'all the video. But y'all be bugging me, bro. All on TikTok, I posted like slideshows of me with my jeans on. Y'all, where the jeans from? Where the jeans from? Stop bugging me before I get mad. With that being said, if y'all new, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, do all the good stuff, man. Like, y'all already know how my motive is. Like, if y'all like, comment, subscribe, I could get a car, cause Lil Will ain't got no car, bruh. I'm in the silence. But we finna get straight into the video, man. With that being said, I'm finna teach y'all how to be a skinny jean warrior like me. To even complete this, you will need a sewing machine. The sewing machine I got is a Singer. You could easily get this out of Walmart. There's multiple ways you can make your jeans skinny. The real good way and the quick way. Get you a sewing machine. Any sewing machine will do. If you know how to sew, it shouldn't really matter for real, to be honest. Like, it shouldn't really matter. If you know how to sew, you know how to sew. Like, you know what I'm saying? I ain't even gonna get too much into that. Next, you will in fact need thread, man. You're gonna need some thread to match the color of your pants. You see, the most important ones I got is black and white, cause I'm gonna be doing like black jeans, blue jeans and stuff like that. I'll really just use the white thread, cause I'm lazy and I just don't be buying extra stuff. But I use the white thread for like gray, blue, all the light colors. And black, I use black just for the black. Cause if you don't use the right color, bro, if this video could do some numbers, even if it don't, I'm gonna just start making episodes with vlogs and stuff, like, just so I could get right. Cause I've been slacking lately. Like, I've been telling you I'm gonna drop videos. I'm already 2 weeks in on my last video. Let me get back to this. If you don't use this, the right color for your jeans, bro, you will see it in your pants. If you got black jeans and use the white thread, you will see it by your crotch. People gonna be like, oh my God, what's going on? Why is your pants open? If your jeans pop and you moving too fast, or you did it wrong and your jeans pop by your crotch, it's gonna be a hole. Not a hole to the inside of your pants, but it's still gonna look like a hole, bro. Trust me, I done experienced this before. And folks asking me, oh my God, do you got a hole in your pants? Leave me alone, get out my face before I stick you. If you got on, like, you know, light colored jeans and you use black, you will see it. With that being said, color coordinate for your pants. One more thing, do not buy this. Make sure the thread capsule matches your sewing machine. I'm gonna show y'all that later. Make sure, do not buy this, bro. This is a waste of money. You need the one that matches your sewing machine so you can sit it in the slot. I'm gonna show y'all later. Do not buy this. You will need a marker. It is not really necessary to have a marker, but if you want a marker, use a marker, twin. Marker is to outline and stuff like that, like where you want your jeans to stop at, to be skinny, stuff like that. Next item, as y'all can see, y'all gonna need some baggy jeans. Like, these ain't baggy, bro, but they're baggy, twin. Like, these is not how I would wear my jeans, bro. Like, I don't know, bro. These is big pants. They don't even fit. You're gonna need some baggy jeans, y'all, boy. Next item, some people use pins, but I don't use pins. Like, I've been doing my jeans for about 2 years now, and I never had to use a pin. Like, it's a little pin. I'm gonna show y'all what it is. You can use them if you want your jeans to be like 100% accurate to your fitting. But me personally, I never had to use them, so that's that. Like I was saying earlier, it's multiple ways to do the jeans. People be trying to tell me that my jeans is boohoo, and these do not be boohoo. These are jeans made skinny. These don't, it says skinny, but it did not come skinny, bro. But if you have some jeans that you already like the fitting of it, and you like, oh, these jeans that was in the video, the new video I posted, and if you got some jeans that you like the way they fit, and you like, dang, I want my other jeans to fit like this, this is the other method for it, and I'm gonna show y'all that too. Just stay tuned. Don't leave. Watch the full video, bro. Please. Barely even upload. One final item, and this is really for your personal life. Like, this is really so you live. If you don't do it, you will die. Get you some snacks, man. Like, get you a little Lunchable or something. If you new to this, bro, this is a hefty process, twin. So it might take you 30 minutes. It might take you 5 if you catch on fast enough. Real quick, y'all, swipe up on the screen and go like the video, man. Comment skinny jeans if you made it this far in the video. If you made it this far, I appreciate you, man. Like, if y'all like this type of content, I could really teach y'all free game on how to like get fly and stuff like that, because it's really easy, but some people think it's hard. So for the ones that think it's hard, or like if you just rock with me like that and you just like that I get fly, twin, subscribe, do all the good stuff, man. I appreciate y'all. Watch the full video, and we finna get straight into the process. First things first, when y'all got y'all jeans, bro, this is what you're doing. You're gonna need a flat surface too. And I'm on the floor because I don't have a desk for this, but you're gonna need a flat surface, a table or something, so you could get your alignments nice and firm, all that type of stuff. This is what you're gonna do. You're gonna flip your jeans inside out on a flat surface. I was telling y'all before, there's 2 ways you can make the jeans. Like I said, if you got some jeans that's already skinny, all you want to do is just lay them on top, outline it, see the difference between the two. If you know how you want the jeans to stack, all you gotta do is just go up. Like, depending on how skinny the jeans is, you can really just go up, you know what I mean, and just go from there. Do not go automatically fully skinny at the ankle, because you're gonna be looking crazy when they can't fit, and then you're gonna be in my comments like, well, they don't even fit. You lied. No, you did it wrong. Find how skinny you want the pants to be, and just go up. Don't do it too skinny, because sewing is weird. Like, if you go skinny, it's gonna be super skinny, and you ain't gonna be able to fit them. So just go loose first, and you can really just keep going until you know how skinny you want the pants, or if it's to the skinny point that you like it. And then you're gonna do the other side. I'm gonna fast forward this part because you see y'all should already get the memo, but you outline it, and it's simple as that. Like I was telling y'all, some people use pens and junk, but I don't think pens is necessary. So I'm gonna just get into it. And the sewing machine is overly loud, bruh, so I'm gonna have to do a voiceover. Yeah, we about to get straight into this process. Y'all stay tuned still, man. Y'all finna be some skinny jeaners in a minute. Is that the correct word? Skinny jeaners. Skinny jean crew. Nah, let me chill, bro. Well, yeah, y'all about to be able to be wearing the skinny jeans. Yeah, that part. My bad. All right, as y'all can see, the sewing machine is already threaded up and all that good stuff. But for the sake of y'all, bro, I'm gonna show y'all how to thread it. First, you need to take this off, of course. This is the thread. You need your thread. I showed y'all. You need your thread. Put it on there in the back. It's a back piece. It's a piece in the back. You put it on. Put it on there. And for y'all sewing machine, there should be directions on where to put it at. For y'all sewing machine, some people lick this, bro. Get the little tip. Some people lick it, but I'm not licking it because I already know what I'm doing. So put it through the little hole. Wait, that sounds crazy.
What?
And after that, you just threaded it, and after that, your sewing machine is threaded and ready to go. First things first, what you're gonna do is you're gonna slide the pants under the sewing machine and pull it down. You start it. As y'all can see, it's back in the beginning, but all you do is lift it up till it stops, because this is where you left off at. And basically all you do is you keep going from here, wherever you outlined it at, and keep going. Make sure y'all keep y'all jeans straight and everything, because you don't want your jeans to be like sewed in a weird way. Don't mind that I'm using the white thread. I forgot to tell y'all, I'm using the white thread just so y'all could see like what I'm doing with the pants. I would usually use black. Please use black, bro, because this will be seen, and it might be able to be seen when I show y'all the pants on. Okay, with this part, this is the crotch. What you're gonna do is you're gonna go all the way down and turn the pants. Turn it, pull from the side. What you do is just and as simple as that. Cut off the excess, and we have one side of the jean done. Do the same thing. I'm gonna speed this part up because it's literally like the same exact thing. Alright, y'all, so with that being said, that is going to be the end of the video, man. And if y'all learned anything from this video, because as y'all can see, I literally just put y'all on how to get skinny jeans, man. So I mean, you know, like it don't get no better than that. If y'all learned anything, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Let me know in the comments if I helped y'all out, and if y'all gonna be doing this in the future. Or I know I'm already ready for the skinny jean warrior comments, all that stuff, but I don't care, them pants is big. But if y'all know, if y'all dig the skinny jeans, then y'all know y'all gonna be doing this. And subscribe. Let's try to get at least 50 likes, man. 50 likes on the new vid, bro, and I just helped y'all out. Let's try to get that right, man. I appreciate y'all for watching. If y'all made it this far, let's comment road to 500 subs, man, because we trying to do bigger and better things. We on the way soon with something fly, man. Like, I'm finna bring some content to the channel. I just been slacking lately, like, but I'm in that mode right now. Cause y'all know I be on and off with my mode, but I'm in the mode right now, man. I got a new crew I'm supposed to be rocking with. Let's see what they say, and let's get the show rolling, man. Appreciate y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Bye. Have a great time.
Bye. Have a great time.
It's time to slide. I got it in the yo, I'm super deep. I'm in a bill with fire. If you're real against, you ain't gotta tell them, you gotta show a fire. Nigga was talking down back, see him in person, ain't left him terrified.